Hello students, welcome back to the next video of our national symbols. In this video, we will learn about the various national symbols of India. National emblem. Our national emblem is a part of Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. The national emblem is the seal of the government of India. We can see this seal on all government documents, currency notes, coins, passports, letters, and envelopes. The national emblem has four lines that face four different directions: north, south, east, and west. But only three lines are visible, the fourth is being hidden. Below the loin, there is a base that shows a wheel with a horse and a bull. Horse signifies speed and energy. Bull stands for hard work. The four loins stand as a guardians of all the four directions. Satyamev Jayate is written on it, which means truth always wins. National Anthem. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. It was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. The first stanza out of the 5 stanzas of the song forms the national anthem. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore wrote and composed both Jana Gana Mana and Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthems of India and Bangladesh. National bird. Peacock was declared national bird in 1963. It was part of Indian custom and culture. It is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty, and love. It enjoys the status of a sacred bird in some states of India. In Hinduism, peacock is a Vahan of Lord Kartikeya. Lord Krishna was always depicted with a peacock feather in his headdress. In Buddhism, it represents wisdom. National flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It has a very significant position in Indian mythology. It is known as the flower of goddess Lakshmi and symbolizes wealth and prosperity. It grows in mud but still remains untouched from impurity. National animal. Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of our country. It commands respect and fear in our country. We can see in countries like India, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. It is protected in various national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the various national symbols of our country. Thank you.